Manual Testing Interview Questions and Answers 2024. Software testing is compulsory before it goes into use for any product, feature, or service.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Let's put even more light to ensure that software should be bug-free and that the system meets customer requirements and software specifications. With each upgrade of software and application with its new versions, the surge of demand by consumers and job skills has grown even wider. Our meticulous sections of manual testing interview questions and answers focus on the beginners to the professional level of manual testing interview preparation.
That said, these manual testing interview questions are the most frequent and highlight related subtopics to be expected from such subjects. Nevertheless, a participant must always keep a knack for thorough popular questions and covering the given syllabi, which are even important. Analyze and test your knowledge from the lists of manual testing questions below to prepare for a job interview course. List of top manual testing interview questions and answers in 2024. With the curated list of question sets, gear up for the best interview preparation with the manual interview questions and answers for freshers or professionals to get hired easily in the top leading companies. Given below are the lists of manual testing interview questions for experienced or freshers with the best answers. Suggested read: How to become a quality analyst. Basic manual testing interview questions and answers. Below are the software testing interview questions and answers for freshers at a basic level. 1. What are the different types of manual testing? The different types of manual testing are: black box testing, white box testing, unit testing, system testing, integration testing, acceptance testing. 2. Explain the procedure for manual testing. The manual testing process comprises the following steps: planning and control, analysis and design, implementation and execution, evaluating exit criteria and reporting, test closure activities. 3. What is API testing? API testing is a type of software testing that tests an application program interface (API) directly. A collection of functions, methods, or procedures that is available to be executed by other software applications. The aim is to allow access to certain services and arrange communication between software applications. This question type is often found in basic software testing interview questions. The interviewer evaluates whether a candidate looks for comparisons in the advanced level of software testing interview questions and answers. 4. What are the types of regression testing? The types of regression testing are as follows: corrective regression testing, a simple regression testing approach that involves rerunning of test cases with absolutely no changes in code or product specification. Selective regression testing analyzes the impact of both old and new code on the software that has app functionality. It uses a division of existing test cases to minimize costs and activities required for a retest. Retest all regression testing, a regression testing that reruns overall existing test cases again on the new codebase, even if only tiny code changes have been made. Progressive regression testing. This testing method is applied to new test scenarios and test cases that require new testing. This approach reveals whether the updated or changed version has an effect on the existing features. Unit regression testing, a narrow process that repeats all tests for the unit which takes place when a certain change has been made in it. 5. What is the best time to stop the testing process? The testing activities should end on the following factors: test case execution, testing deadline, code coverage (CC) ratio, mean time between failure (MTBF) rate. 6. Explain black box testing. A testing technique of software in which the functionality of the application under test (AUT) is examined without looking into its internal structures or the given test cases. Read more. Top 30 Quality Analyst Interview Questions and Answers 2024.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.